Ryan here, Silly Review. I'm reviewing railroad crossings. I'm stuck here with the train. Who knows how long it is? I have no idea. But we're gonna sit here. It's hot outside, and I'm almost out of gas. Oh no! But I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna leave the AC running. I'm gonna stay idling because I'd rather be out of gas than hot, if that makes sense. So before I started recording, I had been sitting here roughly, 2 minutes. This is a huge inconvenience. I don't appreciate it. I don't like it. I don't know why they don't make nothing but ramps for trains at intersections when they need to go through where a street is. They just build a ramp and let the train jump the ramp. They'll jump over the cars. Nobody will be inconvenienced. I'd imagine the train slows down at these intersections. He's got to blow his horn, all that. And that's really annoying too if you've ever lived near train tracks. How inconvenient is that and annoying to hear the, all the time. Nobody likes that. So there's graffiti on most of these boxcars and fuel thingies or whatever. I don't appreciate that. That is called light. That doesn't do anything good for your city aesthetically. It makes it look like there are hooligans around here and vandals. So I can't say anything positive about a train. I really can't, especially at an intersection. And the delay it causes. Look at all these people. They've got things to do. They've got stimulus checks burning holes in their pockets. They need to go get a big screen. Walmart is behind me. Lots of shopping is also in front of me, and we're waiting here forever. I'm gonna sit through it and suffer. I'm not gonna make you sit through it and suffer, but please leave a comment and let me know how you feel about trains when you have to wait at a railroad crossing and somehow the train thinks they're more important. One train thinks that it's more important than these hundreds of vehicles with countless hundreds, if not thousands of people inside of these vehicles. The nerve. How rude. What do you think about trains? Only trains I like involve me and about 5 of my guy friends. See you next time. Silly Review. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about